Hello guys, and welcome to the Ministry of JavaScript. In this video we are going to be learning about another prototype method of an array, which is called foreach. Basically foreach is a kind of iterator. It will loop through all the elements, and if you want to perform any specific function, some kind of specific operations to those elements, then you can be able to do that using foreach. For example, in our case we do have an array of numbers, right? And what I want to do is basically I want to sum all of them. So how can I do that? Let's just create let sum equal to 0 at the moment, and arr dot for each. Basically for each takes a callback function, and in this callback function you can assign three values, three parameters. The first one is the value. I'm naming it as well. The second one is index, right? And the third one is array itself. Right now we just want value. We don't want to do anything with the index because we are adding the values. So right over here, sum plus equal to val. Now if I come over here and console.log sum, as you can see I'm getting 36. So for each, you can use for each whenever you want to perform, whenever you want to loop through the array and you want to perform certain kind of operations on it, then you don't want any kind of new array from it, because if you want to perform a loop on an array and you want to receive a new array from it, so for that, basically JavaScript provides us a prototype method which is called map. We are going to be looking at map function in the next video, but in this video we are looking at the for each method. So this is all from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.